Okay, I have just 2 minutes for thanks some people who participate in the organization and in the participation in this meeting. I want to express my sincere gratitude to each and every one of you for your presence and your contribution to advancing our understanding of cancer with poor prognosis. Today, we have seen how powerful science can be when driven by your desire to ease human suffering. In every case we analyzed and every piece of data we share, there is a person, someone facing uncertainty, yet showing the key strength that defines both patients and those who care for them. An excellent example of this was the testimony of Josie this morning. We hope that in the near future, testimonies like his will become increasingly common. I would like to express my gratitude to all speakers and panelists. Thank you for sharing your expertise, your question, and your vision. I would like also to thank all the participants for engaging with rigor and heart. A very special thanks to members of the scientific committee whose enormous efforts and dedication were essential in shaping the content of the direction of this event. Your hard work behind the scenes has been instrumental for this success. I would like particular thank you to Marie-Charlotte, Capucine, and Antoine, whose tireless work was made this meeting possible. Please accept our most sincere appreciation. And Seasmus, for his outstanding talent in capturing the attention of audience and challenging the speaker with his insightful and timely question. Finally, I would like to warmly acknowledge to Bruno and to Jerome, who were the inspiration of these initiatives 2 or 3 years ago. It is, in general, thanks for you being part of this effort. Let us continue together with determination, humility, and hope. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ron, and really thank you for leading this and managing this scientific conference. So I think our pick for your choice of you was really a good one, and really I want to congratulate you again for all your career also, and your contribution to the field of poor prognosis cancer, and of course for this contribution here. I want also to thank a lot our Japanese colleague, and notably Tomohiro Matsuda, that is here as a main contributor of this G7 working group on poor prognosis cancer. So today is the first day, and I want to stress that it's really a start. The idea of this workshop in the G7 cancer is first to have this finding that we make small advance, very little advance this past decade in poor prognosis cancer. It remains a tough challenge, and so we have to think differently. So tomorrow there will be a workshop with many of you who will participate to think outside the box, to try to imagine how we can get disruptive results that will benefit to patients. We have to think something bigger, faster, smarter, really to make significant progress now. So I thank you all for that. That's really the beginning of the story, and we hope we have a big project, a dream that we may propose to in the G7 to our government to fund it and really to make substantial achievement in this field. Thank you again.
Thank you very much. And now to formally close today's conference, I'd like to call on the director of the French National Cancer Institute, Nicolas Scottet. Thank you very much.
Thank you, everybody, ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues. I haven't done all the whole day because but I was there this morning, and I noticed how it started amazingly. And this afternoon, it's also important to see so much passion, determination, and also hopes for patients, and also the hard working you've done so far to go step by step. I notice we are all willing to want change in paradigm, and I think we're going to get it soon. I would like to begin by expressing my sincere gratitude to each of you for your presence today. My warm thanks to all of the high-level speakers we have today and panelists. You shared your expertise on the complex challenges posed by cancers and with poor prognosis, and helped illuminate the scientific, clinical, structural advances that we are needed urgently. I would like to thank the G7 Cancer Scientific Committee and Dr. Juan Johanna. Thank you for the vision, the commitment you have brought to this conference. We couldn't make it without you. And thanks to our partners in Japan, the National Cancer Center. You are strongly dedicated to this effort with you and with us. Your effort is vital for the success of this event, and we need to move forward together. We begin this session with Norbert, our president, and then we have the chance to have the French Minister of Health reaffirming how France is deeply committed to cancer and to international health solidarity and scientific cooperation regarding cancer issue. And his word reminds us that while the fight against cancer is national priority with a 10-year strategy, the progress relies on international collaboration and on our ability to share knowledge, to share data, to share ideas, to invest together in innovation and science-driven solutions. So the G7 Cancer Initiative, launched thanks to Norbert 2 years ago, was built on that very much idea. Joining our forces, the world's leading cancer institution can go further, faster, with greater impact. And what we have noticed today confirms that belief. G7 Cancer is a powerful platform now, and we are aiming to ensure outcomes and to turn it into progress. Tomorrow, the scientific committee will meet to begin drafting a strategic roadmap, frameworks that will guide our collective research policy agenda on poor prognosis cancers. It will build on the insights from today. This conference represents not just a milestone, it's the start. And we hope a turning point in our shared response to some of the most difficult and urgent challenges in oncology. So in closing, I want to thank you all again, participants, patients, advocates, partners, speakers, moderators, and also to our French team working behind the scenes. Thank you for your ideas, your determination, and to change the story of people affected by cancer. Thank you, and see you to the next conference.